before climbing away. The pilot, Goodwin, a very experienced former Royal Air Force Tornado GR1 strike aircraft pilot who then went into the commercial aviation world but decided also to take up aerobatics, and this is the result. He has at his disposal an 8.5 litre six-cylinder Lycoming 540 engine of some 300 horsepower. Yes, an aircraft as small and light as the Pit Special, that delivers a remarkable power to weight ratio and thus incredible performance. You'll see he's gone here into an inverted climbing turn, staying inverted all the way round until now, with a couple of snap rolls. Incredible roll rate is one feature of this muscle biplane. Back down the main A axis again. Perfected. It's unique to this aircraft. It has massive ailerons and more wing area than a standard Pit Special, and it's that really aids him in increasing this aircraft's roll rate, and some of the moments in this display at which the low speed handling becomes apparent, because he then as well, further to reduce weight and drag. Very different rudder also to the normal Pit's design. That helps Rich in terms of yaw control, and in combination with the wing configuration further improves the roll rate. And there you can see what I mean about the low speed handling, pointing into wind and virtually coming to a hover in front of there, showing us this aircraft's penetrating vertical capability. Just of course being mindful of this little bit of drifting low cloud over the airfield at the moment. And more snap roll on a climbing 45. A nicely executed barrel roll as he heads out towards shoulder rolls. Affected there by negative energy as opposed to positive. And even more so as he performs that outside half loop. Onto the knife edge before another series of snap rolls, and a good chance there, and another very uncomfortable negative G manoeuvre, an outside turn away from us. Good chance there to see in towards us and into the vertical spiral tower. Look at that for a climb rate. his own smoke, rolling a very, very long way down through his own smoke. That is quite incredible. It was all the way through this